Hi everyone, this is one of my favorite sandal that I got from Bentley few years back. I don't know why, but I could not throw it away. So today I'm going to repair this sandal, and if you want to know how I repair this sandal, then please check this video out. So all you need to repair this sandal is some golden beads and fabric glue. All you have to do is apply glue in the heels and then stick the beads. Stick beads all over the heels. This is the final result, and I think I can at least wear this sandal once or twice.